You're in the garden and it's starting to rain. Quickly go back inside your whare, head into a different room like the bathroom where you'll place your next kupu. Rākau, tree, rā, kau. Rākau. Puti puti, flower. Puti, puti, puti puti. Ota ota, weed. Ota, ota, ota ota. Roto, lake. Roto, roto. Awa, river. Awa, awa. Moana, sea. Moana, moana. Repo, swamp. Repo, repo. Maunga, mountain. Maunga, maunga.
You watch as a massive rākau tree grows up out of your shower. Whoa, that's strange. Around its roots are puti-puti, flowers. There are heaps of different coloured puti-puti. They remind you of ngā tai, colours you painted around your whare earlier. In amongst the puti-puti are some scrubby old ota-ota, weeds.
You look at the bathroom wall. At the top, there's a large roto, lake. The roto has a long awa, river, flowing out of it, all the way down to the moana, sea. Beside the moana is a yaki repo, swamp. The repo spreads right across to the base of the gigantic maunga, mountain. All of this is squished into your bathroom, oh where.
So we have rākau, puti-puti and ota-ota growing in the shower. A roto with an awa flowing out of it, all the way down to the moana. Beside the moana is a yaki repo that spreads right across to a gigantic maunga. Have a go at learning these kupu for the next couple of days.